Be free. That didn't do it.
I drink milk.
Just got the garage base cleaned up a bit. You know, went through all my parts. You know, picked out the stuff that I need to throw back on. Those 2 boxes over there. So, transmission, got that sealed up. It's been over 24 hours. So, throw it in the car, fill her up. To get the new yoke here. See, bolts to the side instead of, it was just the bottom, instead of underneath. It's officially too warm for the hoodie, so to keep my hair nice and clean, Harbor Freight, always coming in clutch. These engine mounts, like, they are perfectly in line, so they kind of like to, don't really hold the motor from tipping front back. So I got this thing rigged up to try and, you know, match the angle of the transmission. Sick. Alright. Transmission's back in, bolted up. Got the drive shaft connected. Back there. Got this nice tasty cup of GL4 that has to go into there. Oh, shit. Hold up. Yeah. Nope. Fuck me. Too much. Not to worry. I got this handy dandy Harbor Freight fluid pump, so just pump shit out of there, back into there. Been putting in a bit of work on the SC today. Doing lots of tiny things, buttoning up. Not really anything too interesting to record, but I think I'm getting close to the first start. The only complication is I had to reseal the thermostat housing because I started filling it up and it was leaking, so I can't really fill that until it has time to set, at least 24 hours. But that won't keep me from starting it. I can still start it as long as I don't let it run too long. Ooh, I need to tighten the front eccentric shaft bolt. So next step is get the exhaust up underneath, then put the rear wheels on, get the bottom on the ground, or get the back on the ground, sorry, so I can put in a gear, crank that bolt down. Nice and easy. I think All Reliable's finally giving up the ghost after 25 years. We got this thing fully closed and without even any load. It's sinking. So, rest in peace. Oh, this feels so fucking sketchy. These jack stands have had a chance to settle into the not very great condition plywood to begin with for like a year and a half. So it's interesting. It's making lots of interesting noises. Oh, fun fact. Bi-weekly fun facts with Phil. The official jack point, I'll actually get under it so you can see it. The official jack point on the front of these cars is this cross member here, or the subframe. I did that until I jacked it up too high, and because this subframe is like curved, it actually slipped off the front and cracked my original radiator. Not this one, this is the Koyo, I got to replace it. But in general, when I'm jacking up my car from the front, I'll either do like at the edge of the subframe here, I'll do one side at a time, or, I mean, you can do the frame rail, but only if you have like the right type of pads, you know, something to cushion so it's not just metal on metal crushing everything. Forgot to record, you guys are missing all the action. Yay! Ugh. Alright. No more? Why not? Why not? Oh, hello. No one there. Yoink. And yoink. I might have just pinned my jack under the car. Huh. Be free. So let's tighten that front E-shaft bolt up. So that's gonna be inside this pulley. I'm gonna see if I can sneak. No, I think I'm gonna have to take the clutch fan back off to be able to access that. Alright, so just about there. Hi. Just about there. Just gotta hook up the battery. I'm gonna disconnect the injector fuse for now. Just don't want to crank it and see if it'll build oil pressure or not. But after that, yeah, just give it a shot, see what happens. Alright, so it doesn't seem to be building oil pressure. Got enough oil in it. Yep. I'm gonna risk a quick start. I was reading some forums, you know, there's some guys saying, yeah, they're cranking no oil pressure, and then they just said, you know, screw it, started it up, and instantly got the right oil pressure, so let's just give it a shot, I guess. Well, that's an issue, potentially. Doesn't even want to start. I don't know if it has anything to do with the spark plugs or something with the fuel. But hey, at least it's cranking. That's definitely the closest it's been to running in a while. It smells like gas in here. I think I'm going to take the spark plugs out, and make sure I didn't flood. Took the spark plug, or the leading spark plugs out, disconnected the EGI injector fuse, and just cranked it over because I figured it might be flooded, perhaps. So, but when I did take out the plug, at least the one was like completely covered in Vaseline. Probably used too much when I was assembling the motor, but yeah. That didn't do it. Alright, it's been a couple days, but got new plugs now. Throw them on. Hopefully it was just a weak spark issue and everything will work after this, but if not, then I'm gonna have to go deeper in some diagnostics, figure out whether the injectors are sticking, or maybe the coils themselves are bad, or maybe it's a deeper wiring issue. I don't know. So hopefully this does the trick. Probably help if I hooked up the spark plugs, huh? Okay, so it seems like I'm getting strong spark now. I haven't checked that the injectors are, firing off correctly yet, but figured probably the next best thing to check would be the gas. So, gonna take all that old stuff out of there. Got 5 gallons to put in. See if that makes much of a difference. I'm sick of sucking on that and eating gas fumes, so I'm just gonna siphon it out from the pump, from the fuel sender. So take that apart, and yeah. Actually, you know what? Those are Phillips heads, and I don't really want to strip them and cause a bigger problem than I already have. So I'm gonna see if I can go through the fuel feed, or, from the filler neck. I got this handy dandy little jiggle pump, which I'm gonna try and use. Hopefully it fits in there, and there aren't any restrictions further down. That's doing the trick. Alright, got as much of the old gas out as possible.
Holy shit, man.
Got as much gas out as possible, as much of the old gas. Put about 5 gallons of fresh gas in, with the premix, of course. Alright, new plugs, new gas. Honestly, don't get my hopes up, but you know what? Whatever. Whatever. At this point, I'm just whatever. Take 49 or some shit. Reconnect the fucking fuel relay. So, I guess I'll take you guys out of tripod timeout. Show you what's going on. I feel so stupid. Literally says T, right? Well, okay, I'll show you on here. Easier to see, easier to focus on. If it doesn't keep getting blown out like that. Fucking sake. Fuck's sake, fucking hell. Focus. Nah. That's gonna get cut. So, why do I even need to show this? You guys know what spark plugs look like. Hopefully. And if you don't, this is what spark plugs look like.